Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss on Kraken Pro app. All right, let's get straight into it. Now, what you need to do here on under the markets section, you will select the pair you want to trade. So let's say this time, let's go with an Dodge USD, just like that. All right. Now, what you need to do here, you will click buy button here at the bottom, scroll up that you have more visible room for that. And here what you can do is scroll here down to the take profit stop loss. And here at the right side, you will see advanced. If you click on that, you will see no, so you don't need take profit automatically or stop loss. Here you can also select simple. Now what you need to do here now is under here stop price USD, you can tap in the percentage like so, and the stop price in USD will show up. So if price drops for 2%, it will activate this stop loss price, and the trade will automatically close an order. And yeah, this is pretty much what you can do with the stop loss here on Kraken. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.